Hey everybody, Noah Luke with MarineMax in St. Pete here. And today we're standing on a treat, a 2026 Intrepid 41 Valor. Many may not know yet that we are stocking dealers now for Intrepid power boats. And the 41 Valor is a really cool boat. And I say that because it does a lot of things well and it screams adventure to me. I say that because I find myself in this particular boat, I'd go down to the Keys or I would go to the Bahamas and I could take my family there and feel comfortable. And with 3 sections on this boat, obviously you've seen other videos that we do. We like to explain each of the sections differently. While we may be missing a bow seating section here, you really get an advanced cabin for a boat of this stature. So in the stern here, you're going to see that we're powered by triple 425 V10s, the brand new ones that just came out from Mercury. We have stern seating here that does pop out. Twin 25-gallon live wells. So for the guy that's going to do some trolling on the way to the Bahamas or do some fishing in the Keys, you do have the opportunity to do so. A dive door or a tuna door, depending on the day that you are, doing some boating. Right here, traditional fashion for Intrepid, you do have a ladder that does pull out. It is integrated and stowed into the floor. So no need to go and grab your, should I say, ladder and insert it with a pin. No, you just pull it out from the floor. It's pretty neat. Of course, above me is the extended shade that actually goes into the hardtop. So in the event that you're not using it, it does have this really nice base plate. So it looks like it's integrated into the hardtop and can't be seen. That's a really nice feature compared to when it's on top of the hardtop and it exposed to the elements and that can gain rust quickly, right? So as we close this, you'll see that we have cup holders right here that do actually double as rod holders and they are at an angle. So we can have some rods that we troll from back here using the shotgun. Then we do have cup holders / rod holders in the sides as well. Below me, we do have a generator and a seakeeper on board. And in our very back hatch, plenty of room to access our pumps. As I step into the helm here on the 41 Valor, first thing to notice is the amount of usable space that you have here. And at other boats, sometimes you have to ease your way inside the actual helm of the boat. I mean, we just have an abundance of space here, which is awesome. 2 ginormous Garmin screens, which obviously have integration for everything on the boat. In traditional Intrepid fashion, you have all of your redundant rocker switches here. And of course, your Mercury vessel view screen showing all of your RPMs, your fuel usage, etc. Mercury binnacles, trim tabs, bow thruster on this boat. Of course, we're 41 feet. You're going to need a bow thruster. And then, of course, the Mercury joystick. So everything is here. It's at your fingertips. And this dash right here is a little bit elevated. So on those long distance runs, if you wanted to get out of the elements in this boat, you can do that. And of course, for maybe the captain that's not so tall, we do have, I'll even extend it right now, we do have this platform that does pop up. And maybe even the taller guy who doesn't want their line of sight inside the glass can get on top of the glass here and feel the wind in your face. As I make my way just in front of the helm, and one thing that's really important to notice and runs with the whole line of Intrepid is the abundance of shade, the massive hardtop construction that's obviously built really well. You can see all of the points that's connected to the boat with. So if you're a guy like me who lives with raccoon eyes and just absolutely needs shade while you're out in the water, this boat has it. For the family, obviously a ton of seating. There is a table that pops in here as well. I mean, look at this diamond stitching upholstery. It's super nice, it's super elegant, and you have an easy access inside the actual cabin of the boat here, which is really what makes this boat stand out. Stepping inside the cabin on the 41 Valor, behind me we have U-shaped style seating, which is just like a couch for the family. In inclement weather or extended trips, you can come down here. Obviously, we do have AC. The table that we have right here does drop down with the filler cushion to sleep too. We do have a galley right here with a freshwater sink, Kenyan cooktop, and fridge right here. Of course, storage for anything that we need. We have breaker panel right here, which B-roll will shoot that for you. Closet storage, and then behind you right now where the camera can't see is a berth for sleeping. Open this door right here. And what's really nice that you don't see on a lot of 40 and under sized boats is you do have a separated shower and head compartment. So when you do take a shower, this area right here is not going to get wet. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough of a brand new 2026 Intrepid 41 Valor. If you see yourself joining the Intrepid family, give me a ring, 813-277-8105. We'll see you out in the water.